I gotta steal some socks. Don't say anything. Shh. You're gonna need at least 2 socks, but maybe 6 socks so that you can make 3 sock balls that I'm gonna show you how to make. So go get some socks. These ones here, these are big ones. And then maybe this one, and then maybe these ones. Okay? Here I go. Okay, so I have my socks, and now I'm going to try to show you how to make a sock ball, okay? Not too hard, but I have 2 smaller socks, and then I have 1 sock that's huge. Well, 1 pair of socks, okay? Let me show you real quick with these ones. So I just want you to ball one of them up just like that. Just make a ball out of it like that. Then you're going to take this sock and you're going to try to put it down to the very bottom of this sock here, okay? Now once it's in there, I want you to do like this. Keep it nice and round. Do a twist or 2. Keep your other hand in the sock. So now it should look like this. Okay? Now keep your hand in here, and I want you to almost act like you're swallowing this one here. You're gonna go, whoa, and you're gonna grab it, and then you're gonna go like that and pull it over. Okay? So now this one is pretty much ready, but I might try to just fold it one more time and see if that would work. Okay? And now look, that's a nice little ball, and we'll be able to use it when we're playing the game. So I'm going to show you one more time, but this time I'm going to use the big one. Big one's here. You're going to crumple it up, make it into something like a ball. Then I'm going to get it like this. I'm going to put it inside all the way to the bottom. So you got to go all the way down. Keep going all the way, all the way. Once you get down to the bottom, keep it nice and round, and then twist it 1 or 2 times. Maybe 3 times would be okay too. Then you're going to go like this and make a mouth while you're still here. You're going to put it in here, grab a hold of it, go like this. And you could stop right here if you want. You could just bring it over here until it starts to squeeze it. And now I have a ball right there. Okay? So now we can play with this for the next game. I want you to have, well, you just got to be ready to make them super quick, or you can have 2 or 3 of these in your basket. All right, guys? Hope it worked out.